In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe on Evernote. We're going to walk through the full process of recording your audio and turning it into text directly inside Evernote, using its built-in tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a conversation, a meeting, or your own thoughts, and have them appear as readable, editable text in a note. First, open the Evernote app on your device. You can use either the desktop app on your computer or the mobile app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into your account and that the app is up to date, so you have access to the latest features, including transcription. Once Evernote is open, look for the New button, usually marked with a plus sign. Next to that, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click or tap on those 3 dots to open the extra creation options. A small menu should appear. In that menu, move your cursor, or your finger if you're on mobile, over the audio option. When you see audio, choose the in-person option. This tells Evernote that you're about to record live audio directly into a note. As soon as you select in-person, Evernote will start a new note with an audio recorder ready to go. When you're ready, begin speaking or start your meeting or conversation. Try to stay close to your device's microphone and speak clearly. This will make the transcription more accurate later on. When you're done recording, look for the stop control, usually shown as a red check mark, and click or tap it. That will end the recording and save the audio file inside your note. Now that your audio is recorded, you'll see it displayed as an audio file within the note. On that audio file, look for the AI Transcribe button. It's represented by a small sparkle icon. Click or tap that icon to start the transcription process. Evernote will send the audio to its transcription tool and begin converting your speech into text. After you start transcription, all you need to do is wait. Depending on the length of your recording and your internet connection, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a bit longer for very long recordings. Once it's finished, the text will appear automatically right below the audio recording in the same note. You can then read through it, make edits, highlight important sections, and keep both the original audio and the written transcription together in one place.